Today I am going to create a YouTube video thumbnail in Photoshop. First of all, open the Photoshop window, enter Photoshop. Okay, open new image. Suppose that is line. This is my photo, and to create YouTube thumbnail, press Ctrl N for new, and select size 1920 into 1080 HTTPS or 1280 into 720 SD. I'm choosing this. Okay, resolution 300. Okay, and with move tool, move in the new file. Oh, this is a large file, and this is a YouTube thumbnail size. That's, and press Ctrl Shift S or file, save as. I'm saving it in desktop. And format, choose JPG, save. Okay, now I'm opening my YouTube channel, YOUTUBE YouTube. I'm choosing my video. I'm changing this. Click edit, and I change image, and choose file. This is size 1. And now fit this image in YouTube thumbnail and press save.